You've gotten yourself a new PC or are thinking about it, but you have so many things on your current PC. Is it really a good idea to get a new device, and how difficult is it going to be to back up your data? If that sounds like you, well, this video is for you. Hey y'all, Deva here from the Expert Zone Southeast Asia team working with Microsoft, and today we'll be talking about Windows backup. PC backups have come a long way since the early days of floppy disks and magnetic tapes. Remember those? Back then, creating backups was like performing a magical ritual, time-consuming, error-prone, and often forgotten until disaster struck. But fear not, we're here to discuss a better way, one that doesn't involve sacrificing a goat under the full moon. So, what's the deal with Windows backup? Well, my friends, it's like having a digital safety net for your precious files and settings. Let's break it down. Traditional backup methods like file history have their quirks. They are like that old uncle who insists on telling the same story at every single family gathering. You know the drill. Spending hours finding those pesky cables, then manually updating backups, waiting for data transfer to complete, praying you didn't miss anything important. It was time-consuming, error-prone, and downright a hassle. Humor aside, we've all been there, juggling between multiple external drives and constantly worrying about data loss. Plus, these methods often focus solely on files, leaving your personalized settings hanging out in the cold. But now, let's fast forward to a brighter and more convenient solution. Windows Backup is your modern-day superhero. It swoops down to save the day without requiring an external hard drive or any complicated rituals. Imagine this, you log in and boom, all your files, settings, and personalizations are backed up securely. You can roll over your preferences and apps, cutting down on setup time. Migrate your pictures, music, videos, desktop, and documents with ease. It's not just about convenience, it's about protecting your files, making them recoverable in the face of a catastrophic event like a malware attack. The best part? All you need is a Microsoft account. Oh, and also, did I mention, having a Microsoft 365 subscription gives you a whopping 1 terabyte of cloud storage. That's like having your own digital fortress. Let's face it, backing up data used to be as fun as watching paint dry. But with Windows Backup, it's more like binge watching your favorite series while sipping coffee or tea if you're fancy. It's like having a personal assistant for your data, and you won't even have to break a sweat. Now, let's talk about transitioning from Windows 10 to our shiny new friend Windows 11. First thing first, Windows 10 is waving goodbye. It reaches its end of support on October 14, 2025. It's time to upgrade or risk being stuck in the digital past. Staying on an unsupported operating system is like driving an old car without air conditioning on a hot summer's day. Transitioning to Windows 11 might seem daunting, especially if you're not a tech guru. You might be apprehensive about transferring all your precious data to a new device. But fear not, setting up Windows Backup on your trusty Windows 10 PC is straightforward. Let's break it down. Open your Start menu, search for Windows Backup, and follow the prompts. It's like following a recipe for tech-savvy cookies. You don't have to be a tech wizard to get this done. Whether you're upgrading your old PC or getting a brand new one, Windows Backup has your back. Now, the moment you have been waiting for. Imagine you've gotten yourself a brand new Windows 11 PC, a sleek laptop, or maybe even a desktop powerhouse. During setup, you'll eventually come across a screen asking you to sign in to your Microsoft account. Make sure it's the same account you used to back up your old PC. Then select what you would like to transfer from your previous PC. Your personalized settings, your apps, and files. Complete the setup and Windows 11 will take it from there. Your files will be synced and available for download, saving you precious storage space. Your personalized settings will magically reappear like your room at your parents' house exactly the way you left it. And your apps will be waiting for you at the Start menu. Some might already be downloaded, while others will follow once you select their icon. It's like a tech fairy tale. This is not just a backup, it's a digital time machine that transports your digital world intact. Congratulations, you have made it through the backup maze. Now what? Well, my friends, it's time to set up your new Windows 11 PC, the one you'll carry into the future. Remember, backups aren't just about data. They're about peace of mind. So go forth, explore Windows Backup, and keep those digital memories safe and sound. And there you have it, everything you need to know about Windows Backup. A world without the need for hard drives, or wires where your data is always in sync, and setting up a new Windows 11 PC is a walk in the park. If you found this video helpful and want to see more Microsoft related content, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and also share it with your friends. Well, that's all for me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one.